All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information on cryptocurrency, news on cryptocurrency, mining the cryptocurrency, staking the cryptocurrency, and also receiving Bitcoin back from credit cards with cryptocurrency. Today, we're going to be talking about AMP token. There's big news going on, new contracts being set up, new companies that Flexa and AMP is partnered up with, all these things that can make that coin that's a little under 5 cents go up, up, up. So don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. So we're going to be going through the AMP. Oh yeah, so here's the 3 things we're going to be talking about today. Literally the Sheetz gas station and the convenience stores. We've been talking about that. We're going to touch that a little bit. We're going to be also talking about El Salvador and Flexa, a little bit of that. But the big news today, we're going to be talking about the new contract with GK Software USA. So with that, let's remember our big vision here is to help every single person on the planet get into cryptocurrency. Don't forget to share this video. We're going to go ahead and jump over to AMP. All right, we're over here at Twitter, and it says Flexa, the global leader in pure digital payments. It says right here, Flexa is an incredible, exciting announcement with our partnership with GK Software USA, a leading payment software provider providing 10 of the top 20 retailers worldwide. So Flexa and GK Software right here. Take a look at this, Flexa plus GK Software. GK Software partners with Flexa to support the digital currency payments. Using the Flexa network, the transactions offer merchants a fast and easy and secure way to accept digital currency payments. Raleigh, North Carolina, the GK Software announcement. It has partnered with Flexa, the leading pure digital payment and network, to enable merchants using transactions plus GK leading payments processing applications to a seamless accept dozens of digital currencies in a fast, completely fraud-proof way. Today, customers are demanding retailers accept digital currency. Did you read that? Consumers are demanding that retailers accept digital currency. Again, this is going to be big. Again, they're demanding that retailers accept the digital currency as a method of payment, with 57% of consumers saying they would choose where to shop based on the part of whether they have the right mix of digital payment options. This is why GK Software has joined forces with Flexa to help merchants meet the rise in demand and adapt quickly to the future of payments. Again, another contract, another awesomeness, another thing that's going on. Let's jump over to see what the coin is actually doing right now. All right, so taking a look at over here, AMP coin is at number 61 right now. It's trading still a little bit under 5 cents, but take a look at both of these. In the last 24 hours, it's up 3.61%. So when we were talking about the dip the other day, it's up 3.61%. But over for the last week, AMP is actually down 1.9%, about 2%. Clicking it, again, right here, AMP is at a little under 5 cents. Taking a look at the charts here, it's going down, and then it's going back up, and then it's going down, and it's going back up. Okay, so this coin is rebounding. It says the AMP price right now is at almost 5 cents, 0.4823 in the last 24 hours. Chucking back over here to Twitter, merchants are already integrated. The transactions will be able to easily accept the digital currency payment using the Flexa network. Together, the collaboration will allow merchants to accept dozens of digital currencies, including cryptocurrencies like, get ready, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, and many more. Add in store online acceptance of digital currency to their payment portfolio using the existing POS hardware and softwares. This also protects their business from fraud or losses with time of authorizations and no extra cost. It empowers consumers to use digital currencies with virtually no overhead. So I hope you're starting to see it. So again, now we got a new contract, GK Software USA. Again, help the internal of how everything is working. So this is big. This just happened. Okay, Sheetz gas station convenience stores. Just in the last week or so, we've been talking about it. 600 stores across the United States being able to accept cryptocurrency using their phone, paying with cryptocurrency. to the gas station, paying the gas at the pump, paying for the chips, paying for the SIGs, all the different things, making it easier for people to use cryptocurrency. And then El Salvador, they're actually using the cryptocurrency. Also, Bitcoin is now legal tender there, and Flexa, which created AMP, is right there with it. Let's jump over to that. Over here at CoinDesk, Flexa hops into El Salvador's with lightning payments as Bitcoin laws goes live. Crypto payments firms are rushing to El Salvador as Bitcoin becomes legal tender. That's right. In El Salvador, Bitcoin is legal tender, but it's using the Flexa network. Cryptocurrency payments provided. Flexa has launched the Lightning Network payment with select partners and merchants in El Salvador as the country rolls out as Bitcoin is legal tender. So again, when all of a sudden El Salvador is also using Bitcoin and it's being provided, Flexa is actually doing the transactions. This is gigantic. Then we're over here at Sheets. What does it say for Sheets? Sheets is accepting digital currency with Flexa. Sheets becomes the first convenience store chain to accept Bitcoin. Sheets partners with Flexa. Okay, Sheets is a major mid-Atlantic restaurant and convenience stores. And look at this, what it says. There's 600 of these. Right here. Sheets currently operate in 622 stores in Pennsylvania, North Carolina, Virginia, West Virginia, Ohio, Maryland. So again, we got three factors. You got a new contract with GK Software USA. You got Sheets in the last week or so. Now you can accept the digital currency. Sheets is making this happen. And you got El Salvador now allowing Flexa to provide Bitcoin being legal tender. So don't forget, everything here on our channel is for educational purposes only. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Don't forget to share this video with friends. We're actually teaching people across the world about digital currency, Bitcoin, Ethereum. Today we're talking about AMP token. All right. Here we are at the top 10. We got Bitcoin at number 1. It's actually up about, we're going to do the 24 hours first, and I'm going to do it a little bit quick, and I'm going to come back to the 7 days just to show you comparison. Do you remember the other day when everything was down 10% and it just literally, and then El Salvador, they actually bought the dip and they bought 150 new Bitcoins? Okay, well, when that went down, El Salvador bought the dip. Okay, so look at everything, what's happened in the last day or so. Bitcoin is up 2% in the last 24 hours. Ethereum is up 1% in the last 24 hours. Cardano is up 2.81% in the last 24 hours. Binance Coin is up 21%, 2% in the last 24 hours. Solana's up slightly. Polkadot's up 4%. So everything is rebounding. Okay, so over here in the last 7 days, Bitcoin is still down 7%. Ethereum is down 13% in the last 7 days for Ethereum. Cardano is down 4.85% in the last 7 days. We got Binance Coin is down 11% in the last 7 days. XRP is actually down 9% in the last 7 days. Solana is down 2.76% in the last 7 days. Polkadot is down 10% in the last 7 days. So any of these coins, you may want to go on your charts and kind of start paying attention and look at the last 30 days, look at the last 60 days, 90 days. Start calculating your own things. You want to basically start forming different patterns yourself by using this to kind of figure out where you want to reposition, when you want to sell, all those good concepts. Avalanche is up 13% in the last 7 days. That Avalanche is trading at $74.69. And we also want to do a big shout out to Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is actually up 7.72% in the last 24 hours. So, Shiba Inu is actually trading here. And I always talk about the zeros. We still got 5 of those zeros in between with a 7726. Actually up right there, 7.45% in the last 24 hours. So the Shiba, the Dogecoin killer is up 6% in the last 26.5% in the last 24 hours. All right, so with that, just kind of figuring this out here. So we got all kinds of new contracts going on. GK USA is basically partnering up here with Flexa. Flexa created AMP token. El Salvador is now having Bitcoin legal tender. Flexa is involved in that. Sheetz gas station, over 622 of them in the United States, is using Flexa to make cryptocurrency more available. It's talking about how consumers are now wanting different vendors and merchants to actually be able to accept the digital currency, and they're going to decide where they actually take their buying power and their money spending to different vendors and merchants that allow them to pay for it the way they want to pay for it, which is starting to sound like cryptocurrency. It was 57% was that statistic. The 57% of consumers want the merchants to actually start accepting the cryptocurrency of their choice. So AMP token being one of these tokens that is going to basically collateralize and make this possible that the everyday person can have the cryptocurrency. I don't know. This is some awesome news. So huge news going on. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Click right here so you can see our most recent video. Again, my vision is to make sure everybody on this planet one day has cryptocurrency. They get educated in cryptocurrency and they understand cryptocurrency. It's not going away anytime soon. So you guys have an awesome day. Our scheduled channels, Monday through Friday, we launch a video every single day at 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. On the weekends, we actually launch at 3 to 4 o'clock in the afternoon. You have a fantastic day today, and talk to you soon.